You wake up, check your bank account, and everything looks fine. Bills are covered. Maybe there's even a little extra left. But then a thought creeps in. Why does it feel like I'm moving, but never actually getting ahead? That question matters more than you think. Because the answer isn't your income, your job, or your luck. It comes down to a belief. A quiet belief about money that wealthy people follow every day, but almost never explain directly. Most people see money as something you earn and then spend. Maybe you save a bit if you can, but wealthy people see money differently. To them, money is a worker. Every dollar has a job, and instead of asking, "What can I buy with this?" they ask, "Where can I put this so it grows?" That single shift changes everything. Two people can earn the same amount, but the one who consistently puts their money to work slowly pulls ahead because their money starts producing more money. That's why wealthy people are patient. They don't chase every trend or panic when the market drops. They understand something most people ignore. Consistency beats speed. What feels slow at the beginning becomes powerful over time. It's like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every week to check if it's growing. You give it time, and eventually it becomes something much bigger than it first appeared. Now here's where this becomes real. If money is a worker, your job isn't just to earn it, it's to assign it somewhere productive. And for most people, the simplest way to do that is by investing in strong, high-quality companies over the long term. The problem is, a lot of people get stuck here. They don't know what to choose, so they hesitate and end up doing nothing. That's exactly why we created a free, simple stock screener that helps you find high-quality stocks to invest in without all the confusion. It's designed to make that first step easy, so you can stop overthinking and start putting your money to work. You'll find the link in the description. But here's the deeper belief they don't talk about enough. Wealthy people don't upgrade their lifestyle when their income increases. They upgrade it when their investments increase. That one decision flips the entire game. Most people earn more and spend more. Wealthy people earn more and invest more first, then let their assets pay for the lifestyle later. At the beginning, it feels slow, almost like nothing is happening. But then, something shifts. Your investments start generating returns. Those returns get reinvested. And over time, those returns grow into something meaningful. That's the moment where money stops depending on your constant effort and starts working on its own. So if there's one thing to take from this, it's this. Stop asking what money can buy you today, and start asking what it can build for you tomorrow. That one question can completely change how you handle every dollar you earn. If this shifted your mindset even a little, make sure you subscribe and drop a comment with one thing you're going to start doing differently. And don't forget to check out the free stock screener in the description. It's one of the simplest ways to start turning your money into something that actually works for you. I'll see you in the next video.